Are you managing a big project or simply clearing out your home? Introducing 806 Waste Management, your local partner for efficient dumpster rental in Post, Texas. With various dumpster sizes, we have the perfect solution for any project, big or small. Do you need to clear out clutter, tackle a renovation, or manage construction debris? 806 Waste Management has you covered. Our seamless delivery and pickup service means you can focus on your project, not waste management. Call us, fill up the dumpster at your pace, and we'll take care of the rest. Timeliness is crucial, and our expert delivery team ensures your dumpster is delivered and placed precisely, keeping your project moving without delay. At 806 Waste Management, we're committed to sustainability. Our environmentally conscious disposal methods ensure that your waste contributes to a greener tomorrow. Our reliable team ensures a hassle-free experience at a price that won't break the bank. You'll receive a quick, courteous service at an affordable price. Ease is at your fingertips with our streamlined online booking system. Schedule your dumpster rental anytime, anywhere, with just a few clicks. Visit our website at www.806wastemanagement.com dumpster rental post TX or call 806-778-1311 to book your dumpster today. Your next project deserves the best. Choose 806 Waste Management.